Hi everyone, it's Roxy and I wanted to share 3 trendy things that you can do while in quarantine. I've been seeing these all over and I just had to try them, so let me know if you tried any of these. Okay, so first up is this Tik Tok Coffee, which I'm pretty sure you already saw. It's also known as Dalgona Coffee, which is a whipped coffee drink that's really easy to make. You need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. The trickiest part is whipping it to get that creamy consistency, and let me just say, this could really take a while. I don't suggest doing this by hand at all because you'll be there for a really long time. When it's finally like a frosting texture, that's when it's more or less finished. Pour a glass of your favorite milk over ice and top it off with your whipped coffee. It's honestly perfect for hot, sunny days. So let me know, did you fall on the whipped coffee or the Dalgona coffee trend? Let me know if you did and what you thought about it. The next thing is making your own hand sanitizer, which might come in really handy for the shortage in hand sanitizer due to the current coronavirus pandemic. If you're in a situation where you don't have access to soap and water to wash your hands, keeping sanitizer readily on your person can be very helpful. Mix 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel with 2/3 cup of 90% rubbing alcohol, which is also called isopropyl alcohol. An optional step is to add an essential oil for a yummy scent, and I used some eucalyptus essential oil and absolutely loved it. Of course, if you know me, I had to add cute stickers to the bottles, which just gave it an extra something to look forward to. I tested a squeeze bottle versus a spray bottle and found that a spray bottle was so much easier to use. Either way, whichever bottle you use, be sure that you shake it first before you actually apply it. Last up is my DIY ginger citrus shot that I drink almost every day. These are the perfect immune boosting wellness shots that you can DIY during all of the COVID-19 coronavirus craziness. Best of all, you just need 2 ingredients. You'll need a chunk of peeled ginger, 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and half a cup of water. And you just want to blend all of those together in a NutriBullet or blender. Making these at home is really inexpensive and you won't get caught up with sneaky sugar or additives that you normally find in store-bought ones. You can make a batch and then divide them into mini bottles or vials and then shot them daily, which is what I do. Ginger has anti-inflammatory compounds which boost immune health. It can also help with bloating and indigestion, and some studies have even shown it can help with weight loss because it revs up your metabolism. Instead of orange juice, you can use chopped apples in this recipe, but I do love the extra kick of citrus, which also helps to boost your immune system. Let me know which one of these you're going to try, and I hope you and your family are staying safe during these uncertain times. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe because it really supports my channel and lets me know you're enjoying the content I'm creating. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.